Hey folks, it's Paul Lash, Clark's Landing. Just want to do a short video, call your attention to a brand new listing that we have. It's a 1986 Grand Banks Classic. Name of the boat is Sea Glory. Of course, the Grand Banks Classic features two staterooms. The aft stateroom has a double bed on the starboard side and a single bed on the port side. There's a head, electric head with shower. The forward stateroom is a V-Berth, again with an electric head and shower. And in the Salon, there's a pretty unique settee with a cushion system that will turn that into another berth. So you've got plenty of sleeping for owners and guests. The Grand Banks 36 is powered with a Ford Lehman diesel engine that shows a little bit less than 1,400 hours on the meter. And that Ford Lehman is 135 horsepower single engine. Of course, there's an Onan 8.5 kilowatt generator providing alternating current power for when you're underway or at anchor. The current owner has upgraded some of the soft goods, Garmin technology throughout, both at the lower helm and upper helm, as well as Starlink internet connection. This boat shows well, so give me a call, let's set up a showing, and just like that, Bob's your uncle.